giving you positive encouragement to start your day. Here's your inspirational vitamin from V103.
Good evening, everyone. It is time for your inspirational vitamin. In Romans, it says God will give us all things. What does it mean when the Bible says God will give us all things? Let me read exactly what that means. When you have a covenant with God and you are one with God, God says He's going to give you all things. All things, which means you need your life restored, He will give you that. You need peace in your life, He will give you that. You need your rest in your life because you're so stressed, He will give you that. You need protection, He will give you that. You need provision, He will give you that. Every tool and every resource that you need, God says He will give you all things. What happens is most of us feel like the situation we're in is our own fault. We don't ask for forgiveness, and we don't ask God to intervene in all of our circumstances. No matter what you're going through right now, whether good or bad, always seek the advice and the protection in that covenant you have with God, because God says, I will give you all things. And that is your inspirational vitamin. Have a good night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.